Hey guys, No Bonus 12 here. Today we have a habitat find. It's a 52-inch Commander ceiling fan. Got it for 20 bucks, and the light globe is not original. Works fine, but it wobbles. Start with flow. I have yet to take out this ladder, and I might extend the light chain. Has a pretty nice low speed. Has some really nice cane blades and interesting pretzel brackets, which I can actually show you real fast. Yeah. I'll show you the light. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and turn the light off real fast. Here's medium. That's just a chain hanging ladder. Really good fan. Might be cast iron. I doubt it though, but might be. It's real wobbly though. The blades are all kind of out of whack. I was told it was a Commander. So, it's a real nice fan for 20 bucks. Anyway, thanks for watching.